അമ്മയ്ക്കു വേണ്ടി ഒരു തൈ നടാം, കൊച്ചു മക്കൾക്കു വേണ്ടി ഒരു തൈ നടാം, 100 കിളികൾക്കു വേണ്ടി ഒരു തൈ നടാം, നല്ല നാളേക്കു വേണ്ടി.
Morning everyone, my name is Arya Prakash. I am studying in 6th standard. Today I am going to tell the importance of Environment Day. World Environment Day is observed on the 5th of June annually. It is being observed worldwide from 1974. This day is commemorated to low anxiety on the environmental deterioration and to spread out awareness to safeguard as well as to preserve our environment. The motive of World Environment Day 2019 is air pollution. Last year's host for the World Environment Day was India. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers and my dear colleagues. I am Lakshmi L of class 6 and today I will recite a speech on the importance of celebrating World Environment Day. We all knew that World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June. My dear friends, United Nations had established this special occasion to save environment for our better future. In the happiness of worldwide technological development, we have de-wasted nature around us. Such development have given happiness to us. However, on the other hand, it has snatched many natural heritage from us. My dear friends, do you know that high use of electricity, deforestation, industrialization, direct sewage out into the big river canals, and invention of polythenes have given rise to the global warming, pollution, rise of sea level, etc., and declining the healthy condition of environment. World Environment Day is a great annual event celebrated globally to correct our mistakes. Our future generation will have no access to the foods like honey, coffee, king corn, chocolate, and seafood because of huge changes in the climate and environment. My dear friends, we need to do something effective in order to reduce the rate of climate changes as well as save any natural resources for better life on earth in future. We should start from the small but effective steps like switch to organic food from inorganic food, use of natural fertilizers over chemical fertilizers, reduce use of electricity, reuse things, recycle water, stop deforestation, and save wild animals. Our positive steps will really help in solving the environmental issues in near future. Healthy environment, healthy future. Thank you.
Good morning to the excellence, my respected teachers and my dear friends. The topic of my speech is environment. Environment is the surroundings in which we live. It is the source of life. Our all life depends to the environment. Good or bad quality of social life depends on the quality of our natural environment. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year and is the United Nations principal vehicle for encouraging awareness and action for the protection of our environment. First held in 1974, it has been a flagship campaign for raising awareness on emerging from environmental issues to marine pollution, human overpopulation and global warming, to sustainable consumption and wildlife crime. In this environmental day, I remember a special girl. Her name is Greta Thunberg. She is a Swedish environmental activist. She is an inspiration for every child to protect the environment. Each year, World Environment Day has a new theme. The theme for this year World Environment Day is Celebrate Biodiversity. Thank you.
Good morning to the excellent and my dear friends. Today I would like to share my thought about the need of and importance of Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated on June 5th. It is annual campaign run by the United Nations Environment Program to raise global awareness about the environment and nature to protect. The planet Earth various activities are organized in school and college, make it more effective. Activities like speech, quiz competition, poster making, etc. Help promote awareness among people. Influence can also contribute by planting trees, saving water, less use of electricity, save wildlife, etc. We live on Earth, so Earth is our first home. It is our responsibility to keep it clean and green. We should promote eco-friendly development in our country to save the environment for future use. Thank you.
Respected principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. Very good morning to all of you. Let me introduce myself. I am Tirtha from 6th standard. Today I would like to share my thought about need to save environment. Environment is surrounding in which we live. It is the source of our life. Our whole life is dependent on the environment. Good or bad quality of social life depends on the quality of our natural environment. There is a balanced nature cycle between environment and life of human beings. Our environment consists of natural resources like soil, water, air, etc. Plants and animals are also the part of our environment. Due to increased human population, environment is getting affected adversely. Knowingly or unknowingly, we are causing a damage to the environment. Time has come that we take necessary steps to save our environment. We need to find environment-friendly technologies in all aspects of our life. Instead of using vehicle run on petrol or diesel, we can use vehicle running on electricity. Thus, we can avoid air pollution. Wastewater can be reused instead of letting into sea or river by using wastewater treatment plant. Plastic and paper should be strictly recycled. We need to stop soil, air, water pollution, so our environment stay clean and healthy. We need to plant more and more trees and stop cutting down the forest. Let us pledge to save the environment, keep it clean and healthy. Within this, I conclude my speech. Thank you.
Good morning to all. My name is Anashur S. Dick. I am studying in class 6th A. Today, I have got a golden opportunity to deliver a speech about the importance of Environmental Day. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year. Celebrate Biodiversity is the theme for 2020 World Environmental Day. It was started in 1974. This day focuses and reminds us of the increasing environmental issues. World Environmental Day promotes people to plant more trees and to be mindful of our harmful activities. Our environment consists of natural resources like soil, water, air, etc. Plants and animals are also part of our environment. Due to increasing human population, our environment is getting affected adversely. Knowing or unknowingly use are causing damage to our environment. We must protect our environment to protect our survival of human life in Earth. We should contribute it by planting more trees, reduce waste, recycle and reuse things. Mother Earth is our home and it is our duty to keep our environment safe and clean for better tomorrow. We must promote the use of eco-friendly development in our country for future use. While I am going to wind up my little speech. Thank you all and have a happy Environmental Day. Stay home, stay safe.